Bonjour! Bonjour! So of our two birds.
Très bien.
Welcome to the Pistol Lineman Workshop. While we're
Hello, I go.
while we're continuing the prep work and painting of the Terrot, we thought we'd do a little unboxing for you to show you that,
so far.
Yeah, to continue the progress. Well, this is our parcel.
I did some painting.
Yes, we got our bits scattered. You're right.
There's a bug.
And our little
Toolbox
there with his
yes.
petite knobs.
The petite knob.
Right, anyway, so let's get to the cracking.
I'll fill.
Yeah. Now, we're travelling around France at the moment, getting all our parts, because this has come from another seller as well. So, see what they use for packing on this one. Oh, we're in.
I'm alright.
Good, okay. Oh,
Pardon? Oh. Oh. Did you pack that?
did I? Yeah, fresh parcel.
Look at that, what we're getting rid of his plastic for him.
Yeah, whoa.
Oh.
Oh, hang on. It is got.
Don't bust it.
Oh, no. Hey.
It's supposed to have a bulb in it. That's the light, that bit there. Those two slots.
Well, this. It's only a rear number plate and light unit for
Oh,
it.
it's got lots of wires in it.
Check that
Fucking
out.
hell, it's got indicators.
What's it made of?
Plastic.
There's the back side. There's the front side. Obviously, it needs repairing, like all our parts for this bike. But
No disrespect, she's a gem. Where's the flat screwdriver? We'll take it apart.
I don't know. But this was a bargain from France that we got. So we thought we'd show you all. So this is our little ditty here. Yeah, like we say, we'll find a screwdriver now and we'll take it apart and look inside and see what French cogs are in it.
And a good seat.
Right, we found a screwdriver at last, and he's just in the process of taking them apart now. So we get to see inside. Yeah, like I say, see what French delights are behind the plate itself, and how bad the damage is. But, it's a lovely hand actual.
I was very good at screwing it. Oh,
So,
so. Oi!
oh,
Oh, yeah.
oh, yes. Oh, it's a fisting. It's a nice pretty bulb, isn't it?
Oh, what's this?
Nope, okay, man. That is a French cable play. Hey!
What?
More Francais mud!
Oi! The mud de français.
Yeah. It's a nice looking bulb, isn't it?
It's a very nice looking
Wonder if it
bulb.
bulb. Wonder if it works. I've only got one wire there.
Well, because the other side's earthed on the body, you don't
Yeah.
like
Yeah, I like it. Cool.
Look at that.
That's pretty good.
Illuminating number plate. It's made out of a fucking ice cream packet.
Well, ain't no balls, is it?
Got no what?
Balls.
Oh,
Ice
walls.
cream.
Walls. Right, yeah, sorry. The batteries have run out of my hearing aid. Well, you got your work cut out repairing that, son.
Yeah, that's me, well, Dalek out
Is
there.
that mine?
Is that yours? Yeah, it must be.
It's fucking empty. Yeah.
Yeah. So, there are 3
Was it 6 volt or 12?
components, I don't know.
Well, have a
What do we
look.
say on the
What's
bulb?
that on the bulb?
Oh, let me get the specs out now. 6.
Oh.
Is it 6 volt?
Yeah.
4 volt.
What's 4 mean?
4 watt.
Oh!
Oh, that, yeah, that's the bit that's
Bosh.
damaged. Yeah. Right. Well, thanks for watching our little video here. The Terrot continues. Like and subscribe to the page. Find
Check
us
out
on
the Facebook.
And we'll see you again. Au revoir. Adios. Arrivederci.
Giraffe and that, Chuck.